Hello and welcome back to this channel. Right now in this video we are going to solve unit test 4 class 9 maths paper. Now before going further, uh, let me clear it out that to solve a question in maths there are many different methods. It is not compulsory that whatever method is shown in this video will be the only answer. There might be the same answers but by different method as well. Okay, so now let us start with section A. So in section A we had 5 different questions MCQ. One by one let us solve it. First question is find the zero of polynomial 2x square plus 7x minus 4. So here we are going to use the splitting the middle term method and we will find out what is the zero. Alternate method is that you can put one by one, you can put all the values instead of x and you will get the answer, but this one which I am solving will be more easy. So 2x square plus 7x minus 4, so we have to multiply 2 and minus 4, that will be minus 8, and from minus 8 we will have to bring plus 7, right? So our splitting will be plus 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 are minus 8. So product is okay. And 8 minus 1 is plus 7. Sum is okay. So now 2x square plus 8x minus 1x minus 4. We will take common from first two terms 2x. So in bracket it will be x plus 4. From last two terms minus 1 is common. So x plus 4. All the terms which are outside the bracket 2x minus 1 and x plus 4. Now what we will do, simultaneously both will be compared with 0. So over here you can see 2x minus 1 equals to 0, x plus 4 equals to 0. So minus 1 if taken on another side will become plus 1. So we will have 2x equals to 1. On the other side we will take 4 on the other side, it will become x equals to minus 4. Now we have to find out the value of x, so 2 will be taken downside. So finally the zeros are x equals to 1 by 2 and x equals to minus 4. Out of these two, which one is given in our MCQ? That is B, x equal to 1 upon 2. Second, the probability of growing rose on a lotus plant is 0 because we know that in lotus plant only lotus will grow, so rose will not grow. So it is an impossible event. So that is why the answer is A 0. For points 3 minus 5, dash is located on y-axis. That means which coordinate is located on y-axis. We can easily understand that 3 is the x coordinate, so it will be on the x-axis, while minus 5 is our y coordinate and that will be located on y-axis, right? So minus 5 is our answer. Fourth question, for the equation 5y equals to 2, express it in form of linear equation. Now you can see that there is no x over here, so we will just add 0x, right? Add. So 0x plus 5y was already there. Now in standard form this 2 will not be equals to 2 but the 2 will be on the left hand side. So our final answer will be 0x plus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. So this is the standard form. Now which one is that? That is option B. So question number 5, answer the following from figure. We have been given a triangle PQR. Inside we have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now sum of all the internal angles of any triangle is how much? According to angle sum property it is 180. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be option D. So in section B we have questions worth 2 marks each. Now question number 6 is find the value of polynomial p of x 2 plus x plus 2x square minus x cube at x equals to 2. So we just have to put instead of x 2 and then we will have to find out all the values. So let us start question number 6. P of x is 2 plus x plus 2x square minus x cube. Putting 2 instead of x, so it will become p of 2. So 2 plus x plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Now in the next step you can see 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8, and in the third term you see over here 2 4s are 8. So ultimately we have 2 plus 2 plus 8 minus 8. 8 and 8 will be gone. So only first two terms are remaining, that is 2 plus 2. Final answer is 4. Okay, so this was a very easy question. Moving on to question number 7. In a cricket match, a batsman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls he plays. Find the probability that he did not hit a boundary. Remember, did not. So let us start with the given total balls played 30, number of balls hitting boundary only 6. So now, first of all, what is the number of balls not hitting the boundary? So it is 30 minus 6, that is 24, and we have to find the probability of that only. So probability of that event, that is favorable outcome 24 upon total outcome 30. So that is 24 upon 30. If you cancel from the 3's table, 3 8s are 24 and 3 10s are 30. So 8 by 10, 0.8. So this will be our probability. Again, very easy question. In section B, question number 8, each question is of 2 marks now. Locate the following points on the Cartesian plane. Question number 1 in this is 0a, a0, minus a0 and 0 minus a. So that means the distance is same but the direction will be changed. Direction means there are 4 sub axes, that means here it is positive x-axis, here negative x-axis, here positive y-axis and negative y-axis. So in 4 directions we have to go. But how much distance we have to take? We have to take a common distance, that is a. So on all 4 sides I have shown the distance a. So our each point will be plotted accordingly. So first is 0a, that means x coordinate is 0 and that has y coordinate, right, positive. So our first point is over here and that is 0a. Okay, see here. Now second point is a0, that means y coordinate 0, x coordinate a. So second point is shown by this point a0. Let us talk about the third point, minus a0, that means x coordinate only but minus x coordinate, y coordinate 0. So here it is minus a0. And now fourth one is 0 minus a, that means negative y, 0 minus a. So this is how these points are uh, plotted, right? Moving on to the next question. Section B, find the value of k for the equation 2x plus 3y equals to k, where x and y values are given. So it is again very easy. Just put k equals to 2x plus 3y. Put the values of x and y, that is 2 and 1. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. And 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. So final value of k is 7. So this was a very easy question. Moving on to the next one. Question number 10. From the given figure, calculate the value of x and y. Now, study this figure very carefully. Y is in vertically opposite relation with 130. Even 50 over here, 50 is there. Don't misunderstand for this one. 50 is on this side and 50 and x are in linear pair. Again, if you want to see in a different way, 130 and x are a corresponding pairs, right? So accordingly we will solve for x and y. First of all, we will write as shown in the figure, y and 130 degree are vertically opposite angles, so value of y is 130. So this is very easy. Moving on further from figure, 50 degree and x form a linear pair. So 50 plus x is 180. X equals to, this 50 will go on the other side, becomes 180 minus 50. So x equals to 130. You can also write x and 130 are corresponding angles, so x equals to 130. Accordingly you do. Whichever method is easy, you go for that. Moving on to our next question. Now we have section C, question number 11. A table is given in which 1500 families, 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. 3 parts are there. 2 girls, there are 475 families. Only 1 girl, 814 families, and no girl, 211 families were there. Now we have to compute the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls, then probability of having 1 girl and no girl. So in short, all 3 probabilities we have to find. Now formula will be same. Suppose probability of having two girls will be favorable outcome upon total outcome. What is the favorable outcome? Out of 1500 we have 475 families. So 475 upon 1500, if you cancel it, you will get 19 upon 60 as your answer. Same way, we will go for the second one. Probability of one girl, favorable outcome upon total outcome, 814 upon 1500, cancel it by 2, you will get 407 upon 750. Next is probability of 0 girls, and 0 girls were how many families? 211. So 211 upon 1500. Okay. Moving on to our next question. Now this question was comparatively the lengthiest of all. This figure is given in which information is there that SPR is 135 degree, PQT is 110. We have to find out PRQ. So the trick is both out of these three angles of PQR, two external angles are given and one internal has been asked. So what we will do, we will apply the linear pair formula for this. So we will get angle P. Here we will get angle Q, and then finally using angle sum property we will find angle R. So the first part is angle SPR and RPQ over here. They form a linear pair. So SPR plus RPQ is 180 degree. Note that in this question I have not shown degree symbol, but you will write it in your notebook whenever you are writing. SPR is 135 plus RPQ 180. Take this 135 on the other side, you will get RPQ as 45 degree. Okay. Same way come towards point Q. So we can write PQT plus PQR forms a linear pair. PQT plus PQR is 180 degree. So 110 plus PQR 180. So what is angle PQR? That is 180 minus 110, 70. Now two angles we have already calculated. Only the third one remains. So now we will use angle sum property. So according to angle sum property, RPQ, that is angle P, PQR, that is angle Q, and PRQ, that is angle R, that we are finding. Put both the values and take it on the other side. So angle PRQ will be finally 180 minus 115, and PRQ, that is 65. So this will be our final answer of PRQ. 3 marks question, 1 marks each for each section will be given. Moving further with question number 13, we have two different questions, each of 2 marks. So section D is of 4 marks. So one by one let us see. First is find the roots of the equation 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Actually the roots will be nothing but the solutions, right? So we have to find out two solutions of the equation. Now for finding solution, we'll keep one variable on one side and rest everything on other side, and then we'll put values. So converting the equation 4x plus 3y equals to 12 in 4x equals to 12 minus 3y. So I've taken 3y on the other side. Now 4 is still remaining, so 4 will be taken downwards. So finally x equals to 12 minus 3y upon 4. Now one by one what we'll do, we'll put the values of y and we'll get the values of x after calculation. So if y equals to 0, x equals to 12 minus 3 into 0 upon 4, and ultimately that is 12 by 4, and that is answer 3. So if y is 0, x is 3. So our first solution is 3, 0. Same way, if we put y equals to 4, we will get x equals to 12 minus 3 4s are 12 upon 4, and that is 0. So our second solution is xy 0, 4. So just by using some common sense, we have made this simplification very easy, right? One time put 0, so you will get easily answer 3. One time put 4 knowingly, because 12 minus 12 will be 0. So these are the two roots of the equation or solution 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Now moving on to part B. Using suitable identity, calculate the value of 99 whole cube. Now here we will use identity number 6 given in our textbook, that is x minus y whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now you will imagine that there is only one number 99, and here identity contains two different numbers. So what we'll do, we'll convert 99 into set of two numbers, and that is 100 minus 1. So now in the bracket we have 100 minus 1 whole cube instead of 99 cube. So x will be our 100 and y will be our 1. So it will be x cube, that is 100 cube, minus y cube, that is 1 cube, minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square. 100 cube is 10 lakh, right? And then 1 cube is 1, minus 3 into 100 square into 1 is 30,000, and 3 into 100 into 1 square is 300. Solving everything, you will get 970299 as your final answer of 99 whole cube. So here we have finished section D, question number 13, both the questions, right? So thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel if you have liked this video. My channel is Shiksha Academy Bolsar and I am Abhishek sir. Kindly share the video to your friends and fellow students so that all of them will get these kind of solutions. Also, I have videos related to different subjects and chapters and standards 8, 9 and 10. So please follow it. Thank you.